Hi, this is Sally Chang of Evergreen Taiji Academy. Let's do some Qigong to calm the mind and calm the mind, grounding the mind in the body. Let's start by stepping out, just hips distance apart with your feet parallel and the knees pointed forward. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale as the palms come down the front center line. Inhale, focusing the mind, the upper, the brain, the middle, the chest and heart area, the lower abdomen and belly. From here, we're going to gather the chi here in the lower belly. And as if you're going to wash your face, bring the palms up and then point the fingers toward each other. Keep the elbows low, lower than the arms and the wrists, so you can keep the shoulders relaxed. Gather the chi in the belly. Raise up as if you're refreshing your mind and your senses. Engage your belly to harmonize and support the spine, so the spine itself feels physically supported by your core engagement. You're refreshing the senses, how you receive, how you perceive, how you express yourself in the world is refreshed and more clear. The upper dantian is the center of the brain, and the area where all the sensory organs are. The middle dantian, the chest and the lungs. The heart, and the lower dantian, the kidneys, the lower abdomen, where your center of gravity is. Inhaling up, keeping the elbows low and the shoulders down. Keep the core engaged. Exhaling down the front. So it's like you're just combing out the chi. You're combing out all the tangles and all the static. You're just letting it comb down and organize all of your meridians, and your energy becomes more smooth so that your mind and your body feel connected. They're in alignment with each other without any entanglement or impedance. With every breath, you're deepening. You can even slow your breath a little bit every time, slowing down your heart rate, increasing the oxygen in your body, and feeling more and more grounded with each breath and each movement. The lower dantian, the area of the lower belly and the kidneys, is like a well, an aquifer underneath the earth. And we tap that well and we can nourish the upper, where our senses are, the brain. We can nourish where the emotions are, the heart. We can nourish and return energy back to the well deep within the earth. Inhale, feeling yourself unified, moving all together, body, mind, and spirit, all together, inhaling and exhaling, gathering the chi. Inhale, washing the chi through you, and then returning and recycling the chi into the belly, the lower dantian, your internal energy aquifer, your resource, your batteries. And smoothing out the chi, feeling relaxed and calm, integrated. Take your next breath, big circle. Keep your core engaged. Exhale down the front. Rotate the shoulders and the arms out. Lengthen your back. Keep your shoulders down. Decompress the neck and the shoulders and the upper back. Good. Feel centered and steady in your feet. And keep spacious in the shoulders and the neck. Calming and combing the chi. Good. I hope you take that calm with you into your day, and see you online.